Hi, so I am a 5th year in the BFA program for drawing and painting at Cal State Long Beach. And this year I was able to share a graduate studio with 4 other of my classmates. And so yeah, this is where the tour begins. These are just some snapshots of what it looked like before. It was, I'll just say that it wasn't loved, and so me and my classmates were able to love it. Now, starting with Francisco. So Francisco is technically taking our senior class right now, even though he has quite a while to go. But as he was compiling everything together, I just loved the little moments that he was able to incorporate in this corner for our studio. It's very thrifty and industrial, and yeah, lots of love. Very thoughtful. Like, he brought this little pillow and this little rug to lay in it, even though he is almost never here. And he brought lots of stuff from home, and I really appreciate the thought and care that he has in this little space. So now Alyssa's corner. So Alyssa is also a drawing and painting major, and she loves working with anatomy and muscle structures and how they are able to play with lighting. And yeah, she's able to bring stuff from home, like little knickknacks and random stuff like this beach chair from our old studio. And yeah, this is just different wood textures and studies that she did. Now moving on to my corner. So this is my corner, my backpack's there. I also brought stuff from home, and this is a snapshot of my wall and Alyssa's wall incorporated since we are right next to each other. I also got wood from other departments, brought the studio chair from home, and yeah, took some pallets from the free locker and also a yoga mat. And yeah, I brought this frame from my garage and as well as my other projects before. And yeah, I just put lots of love in little moments, like I was saying. And something I'm dreading is taking it all back to another studio in another room. So yeah. So now Mo's corner. So this is the barrier that separates my space and Mo's space, and this is her little corner. She definitely put the most thought and love into her corner. She was the one that kind of inspired us to decorate our space, and she just lives a very textured, textile, and colorful life, as you can already tell, and she loves to take naps. Now Terry's corner. So Terry loves to work with abstract and moody colors, and yes, this is me and Terry just being funny. And yeah, I didn't really get to say much about Terry because he doesn't really decorate his spot, and he also isn't there really that much, and I'm not there either. But I hope you enjoyed this short little studio tour. Yeah, if you want it to be more lengthy, just let me know. But yeah, thank you, and I hope you enjoy it.